Hello, everyone, and welcome to Slow and Steady English. In today's episode, you will listen to a natural conversation between Anna and Daniel at home in their kitchen. They are preparing dinner together, talking about their day, their son Leo, their weekend plans, and healthy food habits. This episode will help you learn daily English sentences, improve your listening skills, understand family conversations easily, speak English more confidently. Listen carefully. Try to repeat the sentences after Anna and Daniel. And at the end of the episode, I will ask you some simple questions. So stay with us until the end. Are you ready? Let's begin the conversation.
Daniel, are you hungry?
Yes, I am very hungry today.
Me too. It was a long day.
What should we cook for dinner?
Let's make vegetable soup.
That sounds healthy and warm.
Yes, soup is perfect for tonight.
What can I do to help?
Please bring the vegetables from the fridge.
Which vegetables do we need?
We need tomatoes, carrots, and potatoes.
I see the tomatoes here.
Wash them carefully.
Should I cut them now?
Yes, cut them into small pieces.
Like this?
Yes, that is perfect.
Where are the carrots?
They are on the kitchen table.
I will wash them now.
Thank you.
Cooking together is relaxing.
Yes, it makes cooking easier.
And more fun.
Yes, much more fun.
Do we need onions too?
Yes, please cut 2 onions.
Onions always make my eyes water.
That happens to everyone.
I will try to be careful.
You are doing a great job.
How was your day today?
My day was very busy.
What did you do?
I cleaned the kitchen and the living room.
That takes a lot of time.
Yes, but now everything looks neat.
The house looks very nice.
Thank you, Daniel.
Did you go to the market today?
Yes, I bought fresh vegetables.
That explains why the vegetables look so fresh.
How was your work today?
Work was very busy.
Did you have many meetings?
Yes, I had 3 meetings.
That sounds tiring.
Yes, but I finished all my tasks.
That is very good.
Now I feel relaxed at home.
Home is the best place to relax.
I completely agree. Where is Leo now?
He is in his room.
Is he doing his homework?
Yes, he is finishing his math homework.
That is good.
He studied very well today.
I am proud of him.
Me too.
He is becoming very responsible.
Yes, he is growing up fast.
The soup smells very nice.
Yes, it is almost ready.
Should I add some salt?
Yes, add a little salt.
Is this enough?
Yes, that is perfect.
Should we add some pepper too?
Yes, just a little pepper.
Now it smells even better.
Soup is always better with pepper.
Should I set the table?
Yes, please set 3 plates.
And 3 spoons?
Yes, and 3 glasses.
I will bring some water too.
Thank you. You are very helpful.
Everything is ready now. What should we do this weekend?
Maybe we can go to the park.
That is a good idea.
Leo loves playing in the park.
Yes, he enjoys running with Max.
Max also loves the park.
We can take a ball with us.
Yes, that will make Leo happy.
We should eat healthy food more often.
Yes, healthy food is very important.
Soup is a good choice,
Vegetables give us energy.
and they keep us strong.
We should also drink more water.
Yes, that is true.
Dinner is ready now.
I will call Leo. Leo, dinner is ready.
I think he is coming.
He must be very hungry.
He worked hard today.
The table looks nice.
Thank you.
The soup smells wonderful.
I hope Leo likes it.
He always likes your soup.
That makes me happy.
Thank you for cooking dinner today.
You helped me a lot.
We make a great team.
Yes, we do.
Cooking together makes me happy.
Me too.
Family time is very important.
Yes, it is the best time of the day.
I am grateful for our family.
So am I.
Great job listening today. In this episode, Anna and Daniel cooked dinner together, talked about their day, and spent time with their family. You learned many useful daily English sentences for real conversations at home. Now it's your turn to practice. Please answer these simple questions in the comments. 1. What did Anna and Daniel cook for dinner? 2. Who was doing homework in the other room? 3. What vegetables did they use for the soup? 4. What did they plan to do on the weekend? 5. Do you like cooking with your family? Try to write your answers in English. Even short answers are okay. Practice a little every day, and your English will improve step by step. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like this video and subscribe to Slow and Steady English for more daily conversation practice. See you in the next episode. Goodbye.